Imagine if I hired a guy to stand behind you all day, watch everything you do, and take a photo of your screen every 5 seconds. You'd call the police, right? Well, Microsoft calls it efficiency. They've rolled out Copilot and a feature called Recall that literally records your history to train their AI. And the worst part? Even if you click Turn Off in the settings, sometimes it just comes back after an update. It's your computer, not theirs. So today, we aren't just asking nicely. We are going into the system brains to permanently evict these AI spies. Let's take your privacy back. Now, you might be thinking, can I just toggle this off in the taskbar settings? I mean, you can, but that's like putting a piece of tape over a leaking pipe. Microsoft loves to reset these toggles when they push a big update. We need a permanent fix, a kill switch. So, grab your keyboard and let's do this the pro way. First, we are going to use something called group policy. It sounds scary, but it's actually really simple. Hit your Start button and type GP Edit. You'll see Edit Group Policy. Smack that Enter key. Okay, follow me down the rabbit hole here. On the left, go to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates. Click on Windows Components. And finally, look for Windows Copilot. You'll see a setting called Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click that bad boy. Now this is the tricky part. You have to select Enabled. I know, it sounds backward, but you are enabling the Turn Off feature. Trust me, it makes sense to the computer. Hit Apply, then OK. Now, if you're on Windows Home Edition, you might not have group policy. But don't worry, I didn't forget about you. We can do the exact same thing in the registry. Hit Start, type regedit, and open the registry editor. Quick warning, don't delete random stuff here, or your PC might turn into a toaster. Just follow my lead exactly. Navigate to HKEY_current_user, then Software, Policies, Microsoft, and finally, Windows. Right-click on the Windows folder, go to New, and select Key. Name it Windows Copilot, no spaces. Inside that new folder, right-click again. New greater than DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name this Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click it and set the value to 1. 1 means yes, kill it. 0 means let it live. We want a 1. Alright, Copilot is gone, but we have one last loose end. Recall. This is the feature that takes screenshots of your activity. Currently, Microsoft has paused the full rollout because people freaked out, but the code is still sitting there. To be safe, go to your main settings, click Privacy and Security, and look for Activity History. Uncheck Store My Activity History on this device and hit Clear History. This ensures that even if they sneak Recall back in, there is no data for it to chew on. And there you have it. You just surgically removed the AI bloatware from your system. Your PC is lighter, more private, and frankly, just yours again. I'm constantly digging for these privacy exploits, so if you want to stay one step ahead of the big tech updates, smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments, do you trust these AI features, or are you wiping them like I did? Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.